So guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a little ornament that my dad bought a few years ago. I'm after just recovering it out of one of the drawers in the shed. So as you can see, it's lovely. The main thing feature on this is obviously the car. So the car is a Rolls-Royce Ghost, I think. Yeah, it's a very nice car. I just thought it'd be a nice restoration project, and I can make a video out of it too. Managed to get the car off the base of the ashtray itself, but by God, the amount of detail on this car is absolutely superb. I know it's all dusty and stuff, but even down to the actual badge, as you can see, if I zoom in, it's even hard on this camera. I'll probably get it on if I clean it up and polish the car, but it actually even says Rolls-Royce on the radiator, which is very important, obviously. She's the headlights registration number, just one of the little lights missing from this side, which is a shame. On the inside of the car, there's the two seats missing, obviously, but I can make up two bucket seats. So I'm just going to give this a quick clean with a toothbrush and maybe a bit of WD-40 and stuff like that, and we'll see how it goes. So guys, as you can see there, the car looks a lot cleaner, absolutely spotless. So I've done a good thorough job of cleaning it up. Steering wheel did actually come off, which was a pity, but I'm going to end up tacking that back on. As you can see, the ashtray itself has a huge improvement from what it was. Even there was concrete on it, as if you remembered. There's a lot of concrete here, and I managed to kind of save the black underneath. So it's not bad actually, very good considering. Under the car, you can see that she's actually Leslie. Let me see here. So as you can see, guys, it says there 1907 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, and it's Leslie, made in England. So very nice car. Models of yesteryears. So I don't know when this was probably made. Probably the 60s it was actually probably made. So yeah, I'll do a bit of research anyway, and we'll see what we'll come up with. Put the car back together, fix that steering wheel, and then we're going to go and check out and see what the real car looked like, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll try and make a windscreen, and then make the seats, and then we'll see what else is missing. Yeah, hope you enjoy it so far, and yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. So guys, this is what actually the car actually looked like in real life. Just found an image off the internet. Yeah, it looked like a very nice car. It was very highly spec'd back in its day, 1907, so very early car. Here was another Matchbox variant of it, obviously with different wheels and painted with gold. And this is what it actually looked like when it was brand new. It would have had green seats. I'm not going to bother putting green seats back into it, as I made black ones. But yeah, I'm going to try and bring it back to somewhat condition of what it was when it was new. So yeah. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see here, the car is now finished. So I hope you have enjoyed the video so far anyway. I'm just going to show you around what I actually did. As you can see, huge improvement from what it was. Now, as you can see, I've put on a new windscreen. This is fully custom. I made it, or well, not a windscreen, but just the frame and then like a split in the front. I thought it looked really nice. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. As you can see, it fitted in two seats. They're just made out of plastic, and then I just glued them in. Glued back on the steering wheel. And that was pretty much it. Also, I made it in the little lamp that was missing. So that's the original. And then the one on this side was broken. But I remade it. So it does look a lot nicer to have two. I know it's not great, but it's will do. Yeah, it's a lovely car. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video of just a little restoration on the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost Matchbox or Leslie car on that was mounted on the ashtray. Now, in some cases, you might say I could just keep the car and maybe just leave the ashtray, but they're a part of each other. So I said I have to put the car back on it as it's a part of its history. I did actually find out a bit more about the car. It was produced back in the 1950s. It would have been kind of like a nice present to give someone, maybe like an older age and stuff like that when they were smoking. You know, as it was an ashtray back in the 60s, smoking was big, so it would have been nice probably as a nice present to give with a car. And then there was a few other different models. I've seen Marty's Matchbox Makeovers. He restores cars over there in Australia. But he had one of a different kind of sports car. I don't know what his car was now, to be fair. I think it was only a Model T, but this is a Rolls Royce. It is a Rolls Royce of a car. It is the Rolls Royce Silver Ghost. But yeah, I hope you agree that it has really come out well, and it's definitely cleaned up well compared to what it was before. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. And yes, I have been busy this week with a lot of projects, so yeah, a lot of farm, tractor, implement projects. It's just that it's hectic between school, getting motivated, getting out into the shed, get working, and it takes hours. So, but when they are finished, there will be the videos on them. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you hit subscribe, guys. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.